Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I have a Aurora Qposket unboxing. This one I actually bought from the Disney store, and it was originally £25 and had been reduced down to £12.49. They did have a few others. They had Rapunzel. She's actually been reduced down to £7.50, but I already have a Rapunzel. They also had Jasmine in her wedding dress, which was £7.50, and then they also had Anna and Elsa, which were £12.49, but I could only afford one at the moment, so I got the Aurora one because this is the one that I've been wanting to get for quite a while. So yeah, let's start unboxing her. So this is the box. On the side you can see you can also get a variant Aurora in a blue dress. Now I'm pretty sure Disney Store hasn't sold the blue one, they've only been selling the pink one. I would also like to get the blue one if they did sell her, but currently they only had the pink one. And that's the other side of the box as well. So at the top it was stuck with sellotape, which looks like it's come off. I'm not sure if they've done that because all the boxes seemed a bit squashed in the store. So I think they might have put the sellotape on, I'm not too sure. Let's get the sellotape off the box. There we go. So this is what it looks like inside the box. So she's just in there in this cardboard a little bit. So it comes like this in this cardboard. Just pull that out, and the figure is in here. So she comes in 3 parts. You have the head, the body, a stand, and she's also got a little plastic stand as well to help her stand up. I think it's because her head might be quite heavy for that because of the hair. So let's open her up and see what the paintwork is like on here, because sometimes they can have a bit of a dodgy paintwork. So let's have a look and see. Okay, so here is her head. And the paintwork on here is actually really good. Her eyes are beautiful. She's got a crown. She's got pretty hair. Let's just move that sellotape. Yeah, this is really pretty, and absolutely no paintwork problems on her head at all. It's really nice. Let's open the body. Okay, so here is the body, and there's a few little marks on this bit here. I don't know if you can see, but there's a couple of like dirty marks. I don't know if that is a problem with the paintwork. Yeah, I think it is, or it's just some dirty marks on it, but there's a few dirty marks there, and I think that is the only thing with it. Everything else looks fine. So yeah, it's just a few dirty marks on the body. Okay, so let's get the stand out. Get rid of the plastic. So here is the stand. See very well in here, it's a bit dark. Let me just... And on the stand, I don't know if you can see, but it says Qposket here on the bottom, and then it's got 2 holes in. One is where the body will go, and one is where this will fit into. So let's put Aurora together. So the body goes into the front hole, and then this part will go into this back hole here to hold, see that? And that will hold her head. So let's put her head on now. Back. I think just going to move the stand so I can get her head on properly. There we go. She now has her head on. So I'm just going to give you a closer look and you can see what she looks like. She is so pretty. I actually think she might be my favourite Qposket. I also really like Rapunzel as well, but so far I think she's my favourite. And now that I've got her, I really want to get Anna and Elsa. My husband will go mad if I buy them as well, but I really want them now because this is so cute. Okay, I'll give you a closer look of her. So there's her face and her body, and she is just so cute. And this is what she looks like at the side, and at the back here is the clay stand holding her hair, and you see she's holding her dress, and she's just gorgeous. So yeah, that is my Aurora unboxing video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you like videos like this. Okay, hope to see you again soon. Bye.